cell therapy products, and particularly when you're talking about tech transfer, you just need to have a lot of characterization capability, right? And so if the drug sponsor is not moving that, then the CDMO is going to have to make that up. But there are a lot of things that cause cells to senesce, right? Or grow into other subtypes out there. And so if the drug sponsor doesn't have that experience or expertise, you're going to end up being surprised as you go through your process development. It's not like a classical small molecule. The example I always give is that you can grow a cell in the same media, but on surfaces with slightly different surface tensions, and you're going to end up with different lineages at the end of the day. And so
and I think,
yeah.
And
I think if the CDMO hasn't encountered that, then they're not going to be anticipating that potential outcome, and you are going to be surprised.